Hi. If you are watching this video, it is because you have decided to rent a boat from PeterNautica. Today we are going to show you how it properly works to guarantee you a day of absolute relaxation and safety. Come with me. The California 5.7 is the new concept boat for charter. Comfortable, safe, high-performing and fully equipped to guarantee you the best output during your day on board. Now we are going to show you where to find the safety equipment on the boat. In the large forepeak you will find life jackets plus life jackets for children and a life buoy. Under the steering wheel, inside the peak located in the console, you will find flares and a fire extinguisher. While the oars are in the last aft locker. All safety equipments need to be used in case of dire necessity. In the aft locker there is our gasoline tank. Please do not store your belongings here. Let's have a look at our driving console. Above the steering wheel there is the compass. To the compass right, there is the echo sounder. We suggest you to keep the echo sounder always on during your journey, in order to alert you when you are in areas with shallow water. The 6 buttons on the console let you turn on the onboard utilities, including the shower, the stereo system and the horn, to use in case of need. This switch puts the shower system into operation. The hand shower is located at the stern of the boat near the boarding ladder. You will simply open the compartment, use the hand shower and please, once you are done, turn it off. This switch turns on the stereo system. Every stereo system has both radio and Bluetooth. To connect your mobile devices to the stereo you will have to look for the name HASDA through your Bluetooth list. This switch activates the horn. Under the driver's seat there is a convenient compartment for the storage of your items throughout the day. Remember, when you want to close the locker, you have to move this spring toward you and the locker will come down. Each boat is equipped with a comfortable igloo where you can store your drinks or food during the day. Every California 5.7 is equipped with a boat hook. In order to use it, remove the little balls from the bow handrail. The boat hook is also telescoping. The boat hook is needed during the pulling over. To use the boarding ladder, we remove it from its initial position, extend it and throw it into the water. Remember, before you get going again, the ladder should be placed inside the boat. On each boat there is a sticker that calls out all the details of the naval code and good navigation. At the same time, in front of your wheel, you will find all the indications you have just seen in this video, written both in Italian and English. Before starting the engine, we need to make sure that our throttle is in neutral. The neutral is when this red button is free. We will turn the key. And then we will start the engine. To shift into reverse, we have to push the red button and lower the throttle down. Once the throttle is downward, the gear is engaged. The more we push down, the more reverse revs the engine will have. To engage the forward gear, we will start again from pushing our red button and then go upward. The more we push upward, the more the engine will rev up and consequently, also the speed will increase. Very important. Remember that if we turn off our engine in the neutral position, the restart will be smooth. In case we forget the gear engaged, we turn off the engine and try to start it again. For safety reasons, the engine will not start. Therefore, we have to make sure that the throttle is always on the neutral position. The safety strap is an emergency device. If we pull hard, the safety latch will be disengaged from its specific location and the engine will be turned off. If this plastic tab disconnects, we have to reinsert it on the back of our throttle. If you are in navigation, and a crew member happens to fall off the boat, you have to immediately turn in the same direction the crew member fell. This will allow you not to run him over and rescue him safely. We will now outline the main rules to follow during navigation. Rule number 1. You must keep a distance of at least 200 mt from the coast. Rule number 2. Never leave the boat to its maximum speed. Always maintain the cruising speed so that you can always preserve stability and safety on board. Rule number 3. When exiting and re-entering the port, the maximum speed to be maintained is 3 knots. Rule number 4. It is absolutely forbidden to enter the sea caves of Polignano a Mare. Rule number 5. If during navigation you spot a red-colored balloon, this signals the presence of a diver. Then you have to immediately slow down and move at least 100 meters offshore. Once the safe distance is maintained, you will be able to resume your navigation. Rule number 6. When leaving the port you will have to keep your right. When re-entering the port you should always keep your right. Once you re-enter the port of Mola, please stop at the center of the port itself, take out your belonging from the lockers, get dressed and get to the mooring quay, ready to be disembarked. Each boat is geolocated, so please, respect all the rules previously listed. In case the commander fails to comply with the agreed-upon instructions, the personnel of PeterNautica will order the immediate return of the vessel. Now it is time to learn how to use the anchor. As you can see, the anchor is positioned in the first forepeak. A cable tie system is installed on each anchor, in order to help you not to lose the anchor during your journeys. If the anchor happens to get stranded, thanks to the presence of this clamp and giving strong tugs on the top, you will be able to retrieve the anchor as the clamp will break. Then the anchor will turn and return to you. If you retrieve the anchor without the clamp, within the same locker you will find other clamps to affix in the same position that we are illustrating. When we need to use the anchor, we have to make sure that the secure catch near the flukes is well placed. After that, we can drop the anchor in the water. Once the anchor has touched the depth, and we have made sure that it has grappled on the seabed, we are going to tie a knot on one of the 2 bollards present at the bow. The correct node to do, once the anchor has correctly clung on the depth, is this one. We will take the rope and pass it under the bollard. After that we will go over and under once again, until you create an 8. Once we have created our 8 twice, we will take the remaining part of the rope, wind it up and close our node. Well, Commander, now you are almost ready. Do you to experience an entire day of absolute freedom? Good, I'll be waiting for you.